हम इस वीडियो में आपको बताएंगे कि LawPoint टेरिफ में इंडेक्स टैब का काम किया है। इंडेक्स टैब कस्टम्स टेरिफ की तमाम मसनूआत की तफसील को हरूफ तहज्जी की फहरिस्त में उनके PCT नंबरों के साथ दिखाता है। इसका मतलब है कि अब किसी प्रोडक्ट को तलाश करने से पहले ही इसका कोड दरियाफ्त कर सकते हैं। मज़ीद ये कि LawPoint टेरिफ आपको मुख्तलिफ हिस्सों या अब्वाब में टेरिफ में इस प्रोडक्ट के मुतअद्दिद इम्तिजाज या वाक़यात को भी दिखाता है। डेमो देखें।
We all know the importance of classification in customs matters. It is well known that the parts of a same product are classified in different chapters of the tariff. That's where the LawPoint tariff index comes into play. The index tab contains over 5,000 keywords and combinations to let you see the product classification in the tariff. See, for example, the word bracket and its combinations in LawPoint index. Brackets assembly, brackets for accelerator cable, brackets for leaf springs, and many more. The only thing common among these three words is the word bracket. Yet all of these three products are classified under different PCT headings. See for yourself. You can see the product description and its PCT heading side by side. Once you decide which bracket you are looking for, just click on the entry, and LawPoint takes you to that word straight away. See the word displayed on top of the page in the tariff. You can now view all other details, like duties, taxes, etc. in the same go. That's what the Index tab does in the LawPoint tariff. Thanks for watching.